What is this? What's up with this weather? Just look at this rain. I was just about getting ready for the summer, but no, it's raining. How crazy is that? What's up, everybody? So it's your boy Brahma back at it with another video. Basically today I was thinking of, you know, just staying at home today, not going to the office, because it's pretty ugly today. So what we're gonna do today is go into my old laboratory, which is in my garage. If many of you guys have been here since the start, you guys know I started in my garage. So basically we're gonna go in my garage. I was cleaning it out a little bit and I found like a couple of cool stuff I used to do back then when I first started. So we're gonna go back there and see what we find. The memories. I don't think you guys are ready for the memories.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You got a dream, you gotta protect it. You want something, go get it.
Look at that. Jeez, man, honestly, I've never really taken my time to say this, but I appreciate all you guys that have just been with me since the start, just been supporting me since the start. And you know, we came a long way. Started from here, now we got a 1,000 square foot office, now we got a worldwide brand, and it's just crazy, you know. I thank you guys all so much for that. So that's why I'm gonna just hop on the YouTube grind again, and just, you guys need the love back that you guys show me. So that's why I'm gonna just hit you guys with these bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers. But anyways, give you guys a little tour of this mess. It's just a disaster here, but I mean, let's see what we find. Like, we got these here, all red Air Forces. Put those over there. The very first pair of off-white Vans I did. We got these Rose Petal NMDs I did too. Yo, I know you guys remember that NMD Gucci video. This is from that. Just a bunch of scraps. Jordan 1s, brand new in there also. I honestly haven't been here so long. Oh, I'm over getting off track. So basically, like I said, I was looking through here, and this is what we're looking for here. We got this iodine poly, and this stuff right here is just magic. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because, you know, it's kind of like one of those things where if you know, you know. But I'm putting you guys on game, so if any of you guys want to do some crazy shit, this is the thing right here. This is that sauce. So we're gonna get this right here,
which makes for perfection.
So we've got that in the pot, and these right here. Got these Nike Air TMs. So basically, if I remember correctly of what this iodine poly is capable of, we might be able to turn the entire shoe orange, like completely orange, like factory orange. I know it's crazy, but I mean, if this thing works like I remember it working, then we're in for a treat, guys. We're in for a real big treat. We'll give these a good cleaning, and then we'll get the water boiling, throw the iodine poly in there, and then just dip down. So this is gonna be a fun video. So let's begin. All right, so I'm gonna save you guys some time of just watching me clean these, which is pretty boring. So I'll just show you guys what they look like before. So these Nikes actually wouldn't work because they're so beat. The dye is kind of translucent, so it's not gonna cover it. It's just gonna go along with whatever's there. So if there's like dirt marks that won't come off, it's just gonna dye around the dirt marks. It's not gonna cover the dirt marks. So we're gonna go get my girlfriend's shoes that she's been kind enough to just let me do a video on them, and she's gonna sacrifice them for you guys. So and yeah, so let's go pick them up. All right, 2 days later, and we didn't have any luck finding her shoes, so I unfortunately just had to go buy some brand new pairs. But check them out. Got a pair of Nike Air Maxes, brand new. Actually, let's go outside so I can give you guys a better look of these. So here's the pair we have. As you can see, brand new pair of Nike Air Maxes, and I got this pair because it'd be perfect because we got the like this prime knit material, and then we got this bubble. So if everything goes well, like I told you guys, if it works exactly how I remember it working, the whole shoe should turn orange. Go inside now, throw it inside the cooking pot with the dye, and hopefully these come out good. So let's get started. Alright, so it seems pretty simple. It's just 3 steps. Boil water, throw us in there, and let them boil for about 1 hour with the shoes in them. Add the iodine poly, water, Poly water. Alright, I'm not gonna lie with you guys. I'm kind of nervous about this because I'm not too sure how well it's gonna work. And if it doesn't work out, then I just spent $130 on some shoes for no reason. Anyways, you guys better run those likes and those comments up because I do it for you guys. So let's start. Alright, so here we go, adding the dye. And now we're gonna add this color intensifier. Now we just stir, but I'm not too sure what to use. So if mama, if you're watching this, I'll just buy you a new one. And then we'll just stir it a little bit. So we got the water boiling for a little bit, so we're just gonna come over here and jeez. And I mean, just look how nice these are though. But we'll just go ahead and, any papers in there? Nope, nothing. So here we go. Okay, so I'm trying to weigh these down. It's not working, so I'm probably gonna come outside. Okay. This rock here. Any worms in it? Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'll bring it back. That rock wouldn't actually work because it's dirty. This one's not too dirty, so we'll use this brick here. All right, so we'll just put this on here like that, and that should be good. So we'll come back like in an hour. We'll come back like in 30 minutes, check on it, and see where we're at.
The surface appears to be very, very fine grained as you get close to it. It's almost like a powder. Down there is very.
Okay, so let's check up on them. As you can see, they're coming out amazing, exactly how I imagined. We just need to try to get that right there orange, and the upper's more, so perhaps down more. But the brick fell, so. Alright, so it's been about an hour. Let's see how this came out. Alright, so here we go. Moment of truth. So here, look, check them out. They look sick. So the only thing is, I think I might have left them in there for too long. You can see there's some separation there, but that's just for me leaving them on the stove for too long. I thought the longer I left them on, the more orange they'll get. But hey, I went through the trial and error for you guys. So if you guys want to try this, just make sure you leave them on there for around 30 minutes. I think I did like an hour and like some extra minutes, but it's all good. They still look fine. I'll probably just end up gluing all the separation. Let's do some B-roll of these. Alright, one last look at these. They came out amazing, exactly how I imagined. The only thing is, like I said, I left them in there too long, so it caused separation. We'll be able to fix all of that, no worries. So be sure to follow me on my Instagram for more updates on these, how they end up turning out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys think of these shoes here. And until then, stay tuned. Like always, shop at brownwoodcustoms.com. There you can buy all of our custom products. The link will be down in the description. And as always, stay tuned. Thank you all for watching.